Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about electrical components and circuits. So electrical components are basically objects in a circuit that performs a specific task. And circuits are a connection of these components so that a current can pass through each of the components and then accomplish a task. So circuits in real life look like this. But for our purposes, we're going to be using a circuit diagram which looks like this on the bottom. And each of these different like squiggly lines or like dots or different like parallel lines all represent different components. So here are some common symbols for our electrical components. So wire is just like a solid line. Junction is when two or more wires are connected, and that's depicted by just any type